Hello everyone, I am Nita Bhalchandra Dave, student from Brisang Training Consistency of Dhankodi. Today I will share video on technical topics. The technical topic is adaptive clinical trial designs and flexibility and modification. Let's start these topics. Adaptive clinical trial designs refers to a type of clinical trials that allow for flexibility and modification to the trials, designs and conduct based on interim result. This approach enable researcher to adjust certain aspect of the trials such as dosage, sample size or even treatment group while the trial is ongoing rather than sticking rigidity to a predefined plan. The goal is to improve the efficacy of the trials and potentially accelerate the development of treatment by adapting to early finding. Next to the key features of adaptive clinical trial designs. First is the flexibility in decision making. Entire analysis can be performed at various stages during the trials to assess how well the treatment is working, whether safety concerns have emerged, and how the study should progress. Next to the modification based on data. Based on entire result modification might included the changing the sample size, adaptive and randomization. Next is the dropping ineffective treatment arms. Next, modifying dosage or treatment protocols. And last is the stopping the trials early for the efficacy or safety reasons. Third is the increased efficiency. Because adaptive design allow for real time adjustment, they can shorten the trial duration and potentially reduce cost while maintaining the scientific rigor of the study. Next to the ethical benefit. By identifying and eliminating ineffective treatment earlier, adaptive design can help reduce patient exposure to the treatment are unlikely to benefit them such is an ethical. Next is the improve patient outcomes. Improve patient outcomes. The flexibility to adjust trials parameters can enhance the chances of identify the most effective treatment and potentially bring beneficial drug or therapies to market more quickly. Examples of adaptive designs. There are the many more examples of adaptive designs, but some are the explained to group sequential design, Bayesian adaptive design, and response adaptive randomization. First, explain to the first group sequential design. These designs are allow for planned interim look at data to determine whether to continue, stop or modify the trials. Next is the Bayesian adaptive designs. These use prior data and interim result to continuously update the probability of different outcomes and adjust the trial accordingly. Next is the response adaptive randomization. This approach adjusts the probability of patient assignment to treatment group based on the going result of the trials data more patient towards the more effective treatments. This is the examples of adaptive clinical trial designs. Adaptive clinical trial designs are refers to the type of the clinical trials. Adaptive clinical trial designs in the In the clinical trials, before there are the designs are the conducted, and there are many rule and regulations are determined in the adaptive clinical trial designs, flexibility and modification. These are the information about adaptive clinical trial designs. Thank you so much.